And we are back with episode 35.
35? Has it been that many?
It has now, because we're talking about attorneys' fees and retainers. So this is a question that people ask a lot. So we're going to talk about how attorneys' fees work. And, everybody says, well, how much is a retainer? Do I have to pay a retainer? And actually, when you pay a retainer, what you're essentially doing is it's essentially a deposit in this case with the way it works in family law.
And then if it goes over, and it usually does, then
more times than not, yeah.
More times than not, it does go over because you hit a point where you get a document demand production with 60 demands.
Right.
And you got to go through.
Suddenly that $5,000 is not going to cover it all.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other thing that I have seen happen is we've had this happen a couple times with one firm in particular that I'm aware of, where they will quote a low retainer to get the client in the door. So they'll say to the client, oh, it's a $2,000 retainer. And then the client goes, oh, well, you want 2 and you want 5, so I'm going with the 2,000.
Yeah.
And then what happens is the only difference is going to be that's going to run out real quick, and they're going to be asking for money faster than what they would if you'd gone with the 5,000. But the other piece of that to look at is, what is the attorney's hourly rate?
Right.
It fails, it doesn't work because the court doesn't feel like you have the grounds, and then you just blew through money that could have been used to move your case forward in an amicable way.
Right, and you'll end up at trial without funds to fund your litigation.
And we've seen that several times.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.